Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by reproducing the crash so you understand the exact steps. Reproduce the crash and note exact steps and error messages. Next, check device-free storage and ensure at least 500 MB available. Low storage often forces apps to close without warning. Also check recent app updates and system updates for compatibility issues. Updates can introduce new bugs or fix old ones. Finally, note the exact app version and Android or iOS build number. Force quit the app and relaunch to clear temporary glitches. Force quit the app and relaunch to clear temporary glitches. If relaunching fails, clear the app cache and data if crashes persist after relaunch. Clearing data resets settings, but often resolves corruption. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupted files or settings. Reinstalling downloads a fresh copy and often fixes persistent crashes. After reinstall, test with the same steps used to reproduce the crash. If quick fixes fail, collect more detailed information for diagnosis. Review system logs or use ADB to capture crash traces for developers. Crash traces show exceptions, stack traces, and failing modules. Boot into safe mode to rule out third-party app interference. Safe mode disables other apps and isolates the problem reliably. Also test on another device to check for device-specific bugs. Finally, contact support with logs, device model, OS version, and app version to speed up a developer fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.